Hi, my name is Hannah Blakely, and I'm here to talk about the new Prime NGS Workstation from HighRes. It is centered around our compact liquid handler that we make here at HighRes, and also has a bunch of other devices on the back to be able to run an NGS library prep workflow in a 384 well format with 8 plates and an 8-hour workday. First, we'll look at the Prime itself. It is a compact liquid handler that is designed for high throughput and efficiency and flexibility. On the top, we have the pipetting deck. It has 2 dynamic trays and a fixed tray for user access, plus automatically swapping heads. These 2 dynamic trays are really helping us out in this workflow because there's a bunch of times where we want to be doing a bunch of pipetting back to back. We're doing that with these trays doing tray pooling, which is where one tray is having labware loaded onto it while the other tray is pipetting. This makes it super fast and efficient. In the bottom here, we have ambient storage for all of our labware and our tips for this whole workflow. It could even hold more than what we're using here today. Then on the back, you can see we've got our collaborative robotic arm. It takes the plates to and from the storage and the deck, and also to all the devices that we've got here on the back. And let's give you a brief overview of them. So the Prime itself is the main robot on this system, so we call this a Prime-driven system. You basically need nothing but the Prime and a table with a few devices. On top, we have the Tempest dispenser. It's dispensing a few reagents for us, including the magnetic beads. We also have a BioShake for shaking and our Plate Orient with barcode scanner. On the middle level here, we have the Blue Washer by Blue Cat Bio. It has been configured for 384 well plates with a magnetic plate on it. And then on the bottom level, all the way down there, we can have up to 4 ODTCs for our thermal cycling steps. Together, all of these devices help us save consumables in terms of not using as many tips because we're not doing quite as much pipetting on the Prime and we're spreading out the movement and action with all of these other devices. And that's what lets us do all 8 plates on these really long workflows that would take a person about 6 hours to do on their own. For 1 plate, we can do 8 plates in 8 hours. So with this powerful workstation, it saves you a bunch of time. Not only is it faster than if a person is doing it manually, but it's doing it all by itself. You just set it up in the morning, forget it, and at the end of the day, you've got libraries ready to go. It also has a cost-saving focus with using fewer consumables and fewer reagents with our dispensing steps. So everything about the system has been designed to save you time and money. Since this has been set up to run with 384 well plates, we have a couple of advantages of that. One, obviously, you get a lot more samples through. And the other one is that our reactions are miniaturized. This means that you're using fewer reagents, which is a lot cheaper. Prime NGS is the most efficient workstation of its kind on the market. If you'd like to learn more, you can visit our website to book a live demo where we'd be happy to dive into the details of it with you.